Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WordPress for technical SEO fixes, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin. Press the enter key to access the WordPress log. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your WordPress username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want to remain logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your information. You should now be directed to the WordPress dashboard. If you encounter an error message, double-check your username and password. If you forgot your password, click on the Lost Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section to start making technical SEO fixes. Look for the Settings option on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Consider adjusting your permalinks by clicking on Permalinks. Select a structure that is SEO friendly, such as post name. Save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the Next, install a reliable SEO plugin from the Plugins section. Click on Add New and search for plugins like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO. Install your chosen plugin and activate it. Once activated, configure its settings to enhance your site's SEO. After that, check your site's loading speed under the Tools section. Slow sites can hurt rankings, so consider optimizing images and scripts. You can also enable caching through plugins to improve performance. Finally, review the Users section for managing roles and permissions. Ensure contributors and editors only have access suitable for their tasks. With these steps, you can efficiently access WordPress and implement key technical SEO fixes. Now you are ready to optimize your site for better search engine visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.